how to download and install Assassin's Creed Shadows on Steam. Now let's begin. If you do not have Steam installed, then open your browser, search for Steam. Please make sure to open Steam official website only. Click on install. Once your Steam installer file download complete, double click on the Steam installer file. Follow the Steam setup instruction to set it up. It is very simple. Click on next. Select your preferred language. Select the location where you want to install Steam. Click on install. Once Steam is installed, then log in with your Steam account. Click on library. Search for Assassin's Creed Shadows. If you have already purchased Assassin's Creed Shadows, it will show up in your Steam library. Once you have found the game in your Steam library, click on install. Next, choose in which drive you want to install Assassin's Creed Shadows on your computer. After selecting the installation location, click on install to start the download. Just sit back and wait until all the Assassin's Creed Shadows files download are complete. Alright, now let's check if our download is complete or not. Oh wow, it is ready to play. Click on play button to start Assassin's Creed Shadows. Now you are ready to start an epic adventure in Assassin's Creed Shadows. Enjoy the game and unleash your inner assassin. If you have any questions about this game or want save files, let me know in the comment box. I will try to answer you, and if there are lots of questions, I might make a new video to help you all out. So feel free to ask. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this guide. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.